In the recent past, the Bodoland University is developing in various directions. Today itself, a regular registrar, Dr. Subham Basamatari, who was the principal of the Janata College, has joined as a registrar of the Bodoland University. It will help in the proper functioning of the university in terms of streamlining the administration and also bringing a change in the academic environment of the Bodoland University. Our faculty members have been working very sincerely and honestly in the academic research. In the recently concluded Northeastern Research Conclave held at IIT Guwahati, the Bodoland University has been awarded the best stall in the university category ahead of the other reputed universities in Assam. And Bodoland University also has met a number of recruitments of faculties. Some of the faculties had done postdoctoral work from the Oxford universities, and some have done the postdoctoral work from the University of Texas and the other universities in the US. So now the Bodoland University academic environment is becoming vibrant, and in our endeavor, especially in the student related examinations and declarations of the results, the Bodoland University is doing much better than the other universities which have sufficient manpower and resources. And with the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma, and with his constant advice, we are getting good support from the government of Assam and also from the Bodoland Territorial Council government. And with the present pace of work, we will soon be able to get the NAC accreditations, which will enable us to get grants and other facilities from the University Grants Commissions. Opportunity to appeal to all the stakeholders, the student communities, civil society members, and also the academia of the Bodoland Territorial Region to extend support to the functioning of the Bodoland University so that we together make a mark in education in the field of human resource development. See, we have been trying to fill up the vacant posts of the various departments, and we have been able to make recruitment. Almost 80% of the posts have been filled up, but we are not so successful in getting the right candidates for the higher level position, especially the professors level positions. The vacant posts in the teaching departments of Bodoland universities are now mainly at the level of the professors, and the departments like the history department, management studies, the education department, botany departments. These are the few departments where, and also the mathematics department and computer departments. These are the few 6-7 departments where we are yet to find a suitable candidate for the appointment of registrars.